Hello at welcome back sa aking channel. Anak ni Jong Hilario at Maya na si Serena inawit ang Maybe This Time kasama ang kanyang ninang. Sa video ng pag-awit ni na Serena Hilario at kanyang ninang na si Crisel, talagang kapansin-pansin ang kanilang magandang samahan at ang emosyon na kanilang naiparating sa kantang Maybe This Time. Ang kanilang mga tinig ay nagtaglay ng damdamin at pag-asa, na tila nagkukwento ng mga karanasan sa pag-ibig at mga pagkakataong naisin muling subukan. Si Serena, sa kanyang boses, ay nagpakita ng husay at pagkamalikhain, habang si Crisel naman ay nagbigay ng suporta at harmonya na nagpatibay sa kanilang pag-awit. Ang kanilang pagkakaibigan at koneksyon ay lumabas sa bawat nota, na nagbigay ng inspirasyon sa mga nakikinig. Narito at ating panuurin ang kanilang pagkanta kung saan pansin na with feelings ang pag-awit ni Serena Hilario na ikinatuwa ng mga manunood.
Two old friends meet again, wearing old faces, and talk about the places they've been. Two old sweethearts who fell apart somewhere long ago. How would they know?
Thank you, Aya, for my heart.
Have a need for more than reminiscing.
Maybe this time, maybe now we're more than friends. She's breaking his life, and he feels alright. Maybe this time, I want it.
It's the same old feeling back again. It's the one thing I made back when. To know what love is.
She's flying deep, we're my friends. Scared she's looking, try. Someday come, waiting for this magic moment. Maybe this time,
Maybe now they can be more than just friends.
she's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time, maybe this time, maybe this time.
Love.